and I won't talk to them. I'll talk to them like a little bit, but I don't want it to go. Like imagine to be like in silence, like you like next to me, and we just like pissed at each other. I don't want to be without you. And I'm having a hard time accepting that. Regardless of me like being like, oh man, it's not going anywhere. Did you enjoy today? Why? Can you just be specific? Because